moving on to the second half of this musical journey. Sit back, relax. I hope you have your tummies full. Presenting Harmony on the Strings, Season 12. The next song is an instrumental song, an English one, originally composed and recorded by jazz guitarist Johnny Smith in 1954. Walk, Don't Run became a globally renowned instrumental track when American surf rock band The Ventures covered it in 1960. The Ventures boast an impressive catalogue, having penned over 1,000 tunes and recorded more than 3,000 songs. Playing through their entire discography without interruption would span nearly 5 days. So that's the amount of music that they've made. So here we are with the second half, like I said, of Harmony on the Strings 12, where our students are all set to perform the track. Instrumental, Walk, Don't Run by The Ventures. Let's hear it for our musicians. Instrumental music. Thank you, students. Okay, so we're journeying back from Bollywood to Marathi to Western music, getting you back to Bollywood. No prizes for this one, but can anyone know who is tell me who is popularly known as the jumping jack of Bollywood? Yes, absolutely, Jitendra. The next song is from one of your Jitendra movies. So to tell you a little about the song and Jitendra's career trivia, he began his career in 1964, playing the lead in V. Shantaram's Geet Gaya Patharone. But despite heavy promotions and positive reviews, sadly, the film didn't do well. After a brief period of absence from films, he established himself again in the 1967 spy thriller movie, Farz. When the movie was released, Jitendra stated that the first 12 weeks of the film, they were bad. He thought it was another flop, a confirmed flop. But in the 12th week, here's what happened. He fed the film, and this is true trivia, guys, by purchasing all the tickets of the film. He did that so the film would not be removed from the theaters by the owners. He felt that if the film would run till the 15th week, the collections would slowly improve. And guess what? He was proved right, and the film's collections turned out to be the blockbuster and the third highest grossing movie in the year 1967. Jeetu became an overnight sensation. Since then, he has ruled the cinema with his unmatched acting, style, and dance for years. The music of Farz was composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and had the iconic songs like Bar Bar Din Ye Aaye, Hum To Tere Aashik Hai Sadiyon Purane, and the song Mast Baharo Ka Mein Aashik. What does Jitendra do in this song? Does anyone know? Mast Baharo Ka Mein Aashik? No? Ooh, nobody knows? Okay, so yes, this was picturized on Jitendra and Aruna Irani, and this was popularized by his dance moves in his white pants and white shoes, which was a trademark style. So here's our next song, Mast Baharo Ka Mein Aashik, movie Farz, 1967. Music directors Lakshmikant Pyarelal. On the vocals, we've got none other than our favorite Vijay, and I've got a special mention. We've got a father and daughter combo here. So we had a son and father combination. Now we've got father and daughter combination. Big round of applause to William Wernikar.
मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक, मैं तो चाहे यार करूं, चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं, चाहे कली से प्यार करूं, सारा जहां है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक, मैं जो चाहे यार करूं, चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं, चाहे कली से प्यार करूं, सारा जहां है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। दीवाना जिसके सब दीवाने हैं, मैं हूँ वो दीवाना जिसके सब दीवाने हैं। किसको है ज़रूरत तेरी ये ज़माने हैं, मेरा अपना रास्ता दुनिया से क्या वास्ता। मेरे दिल में तमन्नाओं की दुनिया जवां है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक, मैं जो चाहे यार करूं, चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं, चाहे कली से प्यार करूं, सारा जहां है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। मेरी आँखों से जरा आंखें तो मिला दे, हाँ मेरी आँखों से जरा आंखें तो मिला दे, हाँ मेरी राह रोक ले नजरें तो बिछा दे, हाँ तेरे सर की है कसम, मैं जो चला गया सनम, तो ये रुत भी चली जाएगी। ये तो यहाँ है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक, मैं जो चाहे यार करूं, चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं, चाहे कली से प्यार करूं। सारा जहां है मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए, मेरे लिए। थैंक यू।
That was really you a little bit of trivia. How many of us do not enjoy the music of A.R. Rahman? I see no hands, literally. That explains how great an artist he is and how great his music is. Okay, so our next song is by none other than A.R. Rahman. But to tell you a little about his journey, in the year 1991, during an awards ceremony, celebrating his success with a coffee advertisement merely, A.R. Rahman crossed paths with Bollywood director Mani Ratnam. Ratnam, recognizing Rahman's talent, convinced him to venture into film music. Thus began their collaboration, culminating in their first project together, which was Roja, from the year 1992. This marked Rahman's entry into the world of film soundtracks. Now, in an interview, interesting this one is, Rahman said, I'm not sure why I accepted Roja, because I was offered only 25,000 for it. I would make that money in 3 days by composing ad jingles. I think it was the prospect of working, and what lured him to working was because he had to work with Mani Ratnam. For the songs of Roja, Rahman approached renowned Hindi singers like Alka Yagnik and Kumar Sanu. But unfortunately, guess what? They were busy. Their bad luck. Okay? And they were also, I think, denied because they were unaware of Rahman's potential. It wasn't until Roja became a musical sensation that Alka Yagnik realized her missed opportunity. And she admitted that it was a significant career blunder. So Rahman kept teasing her about this. Now, because of the success of the film, Rahman got a lot of awards. He won the National Film Award for Best Music Direction, the Filmfare Award for Best Music Director, and so his legacy continues. Okay, so here we are. We'd like to present a song from the same movie. The song is Roja's Jaane Man. From the movie Roja, year 1992, music director none other than A.R. Rahman. On the vocals, let's hear it for Sai Shreya and Tanmay, and I am sure we're going to enjoy this one. Thank you.
प्यार है तेरा, जुल्म सह रहा हूँ क्यों, इंतजार है तेरा। तुमसे मिले बिना जान भी न जाएगी, कयामत से पहले सामने तू आएगी। कहाँ है तू, कैसी है तू, रोजा रोजा जाने मन, तू ही मेरा
तो मन
सांसों में तू रो जा। ठंडी ठंडी है हवा, तेरा काम क्या यहाँ, मीत नहीं पास में, चांदनी तू लौट जा। फूल क्यों खिले हो तुम, जुल्फ नहीं वो यहाँ, झुके झुके आसमां मेरी हसीना उड़ा। प्यार के बिना मेरी जिंदगी उदास है, कोई नहीं है मेरा, सिर्फ तेरी आस है। ख्वाबों में तू, सांसों में तू रो जा, रो जा जाने मन, तू ही मेरा दिल, तुझ बिन घर से है ना, दिल से न जाती है यादें तुम्हारी, कैसे तुम बिन जीना। आँखों में तू है, आंसू में तू है, आंखें बंद कर लो तो मन में भी तू है। ख्वाबों में तू, सांसों में तू रो जा। Thank you.
A big round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen, for this awesome performance. Right, swiftly moving on then. Today, there's a quote that resonates deeply with all our students. It says, "You don't know what lies ahead of you. You don't know what lies behind of you. Whatever it is, it's only in this moment." In Hindi, there's a song that goes with this saying. Can anyone guess? You don't know what lies ahead of you. You don't know what lies behind of you. Whatever there is, it's only this moment. Absolutely. Balcony, round of applause for yourselves. I heard the correct answer. Aage bhi jaane na tu, from the movie Waqt. Okay, so tell you a little about it. So this was penned by the legendary Sahir Ludhianvi and was sung by Asha Bhosle. Its melody is intoxicating. It offers a serene escape from life's hustle. Today, we're thrilled to present this song, and this is going to be performed by the remarkable women who relentlessly pursue their passions amidst life's demands. Let's hear a huge and resounding applause to these inspiring ladies from Dreams Music Academy as they share with you their rendition of this timeless classic. And like I said, the song is Aage Bhi Jaane Na Tu from the movie Waqt, year 1965. And on vocals, we've got Vibha. And a special mention again of a parent and child combination. We have Dimple Adak. There she is. Give a round of applause. Joined by her daughter, Arvi, on the keyboard. That's Arvi. A big round of applause for her too. Doesn't end there, there's more. And she's also got her son Anuj on the guitar. Anuj, say hi. All right, so let's hear it for this captivating musical performance and wish you good luck. Right, that was lovely. Not only the boys, I think the ladies were remarkable. Let's hear it for them. And not forgetting to mention my lovely mother who was on the keyboard, Mrs. Veena Francis Coutinho, with a big round of applause for her too. Thank you. Moving on, so during the 1980s, Bollywood was swept with a craze, and that was called DISCO. What do you remember, or what comes to your mind when we say disco? Mithun. But which music director comes to your mind when I say disco? Absolutely. You are one audience which has good knowledge. Yes. So it dominated the scene like for about 5 or 6 years. Many of these tunes were direct adaptations of Western hits. Leading the charge was none other than our very own Bappi Lahiri, who became synonymous with disco music. Even esteemed composers like R.D. Burman, Lakshmikant Pyarelal and Kalyanji Anandji couldn't resist jumping onto the disco bandwagon. It seemed like every mainstream movie, regardless of its theme, had to feature a disco track. In the midst of this trend, there was a movie called Kudrat. It emerged with several timeless, award-winning classics like Hame Tumse Pyar Kitna, Tune O Rangile Kaisa Jadoo Kiya, Dukh Sukh Ki Har Mala, and Sachti Hai Yu Hi Mehfil. All slow numbers, but this movie also couldn't escape the disco fever, and it featured its own disco number. Any guesses? Let's see. No? From the movie Kudrat. It's Chodo Sanam Kahe Ka Gam from the movie Kudrat, year 1981. Music director, none other than R.D. Burman. On the vocals, we've got Sai Shreya and Tanmay again, and aren't they lovely? Let's hear it for them.
मुस्कुराती हसीन आंखों से देखो देखो समा बदलता है कैसे, जाने जहां चेहरे की रंगत खुल जाती है ऐसे। मुस्कुराती हसीन आंखों से देखो देखो समा बदलता है कैसे, जाने जहां चेहरे की रंगत खुल जाती है ऐसे। छोड़ो सनम काहे का गम, हंसते रहो खिलते रहो। छोड़ो सनम काहे का गम, हंसते रहो खिलते रहो। आओ मिलकर के यूं बहक जाए के महक जाए आज होठों की गलियां झूमे फिजा ये गलियां बन जाए फूलों की गलियां आओ मिलकर के यूं बहक जाए के महक जाए आज होठों की गलियां झूमे फिजा ये गलियां बन जाए फूलों की गलियां छोड़ो सनम काहे गगन हंसते रहो खिलते रहो छोड़ो सनम काहे गगन हंसते रहो खिलते रहो मिट जाएगा सारा गिला हमसे गले मिलते रहो
Moving on to our next song. Now they say that songs have an ability to uplift and inspire and often serves as a beacon of hope during challenging times. The next trivia I'm about to tell you about the song that we're going to next perform. It's a story of a man who in 1999 faced crippling losses in his Indian handicraft export business. Plunging into deep depression and even attempting suicide, it wasn't until 2001 that he relocated to Mumbai from Delhi, embarking on a musical journey as a singer for advertising jingles. That same year, Vishal Dadnani recognized his talent and signed him up for a song that embodies resilience in the face of adversity. The individual in question, any guesses who I'm talking about? Kailash Kher. His breakthrough came with the soul-stirring anthem, Allah Ke Bande, and that gave him overnight stardom. On the same lines, another tale revolves around the journey of actor Arshad Varsi, who we know was very famous for his dance moves. Now, in his earlier ventures in Bollywood, he faced setbacks, a lot of flops. However, it was his standout performance in this film, Vaisa Bhi Hota Hai Part 2, where he portrayed a common man who unexpectedly saves the life of a goon. And this performance caught the audience's attention. His role showcased the talent and his versatility, which laid the groundwork for what was to come. We all remember for his magical performance in Munna Bhai MBBS. And what is the name of the character that he played? Circuit. Sorry, no words there, but yeah, the next one I will definitely have a quiz. Okay, so this song tells us about the wonderful journey of Kailash Kher and Arshad Varsi's life, which speaks about power and resilience. Okay, so the next song, let's hear it for Allah Ke Bande, Vaisa Bhi Hota Hai, 2003. The music director was Vishal and Shekhar. On the vocals, we've got Bhargav. A special mention is, do you see that the stage is looking a little more fuller and more people on here than our previous songs? That is because we've got all our guitarists on stage who are going to perform. Let's hear it for them all. Thank you.
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया हो टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे अल्लाह के बंदे वक्त तेरे काम आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा। बिखरे टुकड़ों में अल्लाह की मर्जी का मंजर पाएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया। गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर, ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे, वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।
It's quiz time again. So we've covered Salman Khan at the beginning. We did a quiz around an Amir Khan movie, Tare Zameen Pe. Which Khan are we forgetting? Shah Rukh Khan. How many Shah Rukh Khan fans? Okay, you guys are bigger in number. I'm jealous, but it's okay. All right, so let's not leave him behind. This is quiz time again. Balcony, ground floor. So yeah, your last chance to win some prizes. And I'm sure everyone here today has seen the movie Chak De India. Yes, you like the movie? It was a refreshing change with Shah Rukh and his lovely ladies. Okay, so here are your questions. Okay. Balcony, will start with you. I'm going to come to this side a little because I think this side's won quite a lot of awards. Question 1 is Preeti Sabarwal has been the state captain for which team in the movie? They don't even want options. Brilliant. I heard the ma'am there in the white. Yes, you. I think I heard you first. Please come and collect your gift. I have my little rockstar helper, Rayansh, who will hand over the gift to you. Rayansh, where are you? Okay. Ma'am, please come and collect your gift. Ground floor, your chance now. Listen carefully, okay? Which player was the first one to introduce herself correctly to Kabir Khan? Options are Bindya Nayak, Vidya Sharma, Netra Reddy or Komal Chautala. I have... Yes. Vidya Sharma, it is correct. Come, get your gift. Let's hear it for her. All the tiny ones, I think, know their trivia better. Come. Thank you, Rayansh. You can give the gift to her. Okay. Balcony, your question. Ready for it? Yes. Okay. Who was the player who saved the Indian team from the Korean man-to-man backing strat? Bindya Nayak, absolutely. Ma'am in pink, I heard you the loudest. Come, get your gift. Let's hear it for her. I know you all can't see, but just clap. Okay. Let's see if you all get this without any options. The last question. What was the name of Preeti Sabarwal's fiancé who played the role of the Indian cricket team? This. Yes, sir.
Abhimanyu Singh.
Abhimanyu?
Singh.
Okay, he's giving the answer, but I think I heard you first. Abhimanyu Singh, absolutely. Yes, you can take your gift. Thank you. Yes, sir, come collect your gift. Thank you so much. All right, good. You all actually know your trivia well. Balcony, ground floor, well done on winning your quiz questions. That, my dear friends, brings us to the last track of the evening. This song hails from the iconic movie Chak De India, which graced the music scene on July 11, 2007. Congratulations, sir. Okay, so this was an instant hit. The album witnessed a staggering sale of 11 lakh units upon its release, securing its spot as the 11th highest selling soundtrack album of the year. So here's the song, Badal Pe Paav Hai, from the movie Chak De India, year 2007. Music directors are Salim Suleiman. On vocals, we've got the lovely Sai Shreya. Let's hear it for our last and final performance, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
oh
it looks like you all really enjoyed that song. Did you? Oh, wow, perfect. Did you enjoy all of our performances today? Yes, I was going to say this should be your loudest applause, my dear friends. No, thank you. Okay, that is really food for our musicians here. Okay, I think they were brilliant. Okay, so yes, it marks the end of all our performances, but it is not over yet. What follows now, and hold your breaths, ladies and gentlemen, it's the grand finale. We have a special tribute to the legend Franco Vaz by our very own Alex Coutinho. Let's hear it for him. But before he performs solo, I'd like to call upon Alex to share his thoughts about his experience and his wonderful memories with Franco Vaz. Alex, over to you.
Okay, so as you all know, I grew up in a musical family, and I grew up listening to R.D. Burman because my father used to listen to R.D. Burman. And at a very young age, I knew that I wanted to be a drummer someday. So obviously, R.D. Burman's drumming, the songs, it used to constantly play in my mind. Songs like Jaane Ja from the movie. And I always thought of who's this drummer? And one day I would like to be like him. So in 2016, I was going through a little rough patch in my drumming career. And I was struggling a bit, and I only knew that I need someone who will take me to the next level, and that guy has to be someone who's known in the industry. And I was doing my research on Google, and I came across Trakadom School of Rhythm and Percussion. And I saw the proprietor was Franco Vaz. So I got excited and I called Franco sir. I called him and I told him that I want to learn drums more and enhance my drumming. So he said, please come to Bombay. His academy was in Malad in Bombay. So the first time I'm traveling all the way to Bombay, full excited to meet my hero. And I met him and I told him my issues and everything. And he told me a very important thing. He said, if you're doing this, that are coming all the way to Bombay to learn, if you're doing this to prove your point to someone else, don't do it. If you want to be a good drummer, then do it. So he told me very clearly that class will be once a week for 1 hour. You have to come all the way from Pune to Mumbai. Are you ready? I said, yes. So that began my journey of 3 months where I used to travel to Mumbai every week for that 1 hour class. And that 1 hour was an unbelievable experience because sitting in front of him and learning from him was a great experience. He was very humble and strict as well. I still remember I didn't practice one lesson, so he wrote a remark in my book also. I still have it. So, yeah, and have you all seen the movie Andhadhun? Yes, so he's played a small cameo. He owns the cafe, Franco, who's played Radhika Apte's father. That's Franco sir. So when I saw the movie, and I was quite surprised to see him acting. So I messaged him instantly. I said, sir, I'm so happy that I saw you on screen. And on February 7th, I was at home. I was teaching, I was taking classes. And I get a message on my phone that Franco sir has passed away. And it hit me really hard because from 2016 to whatever I am today is mainly because of his lessons and his perseverance. And I miss him a lot today. He's always there. He's alive in his drums and his rhythms. And I keep telling my students, all my drum students, that, technique is very important, which he taught me very well. So today I'm doing 4 songs, which I think is Franco Vaz's top songs. And I'll try and do my best. And yeah, so give me 2 minutes. I'll just be ready for that. Thank you so much.
दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से। दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से। दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से, शान से, शान से।
Perfect. Thank you so much for that lovely, for being such a lovely audience. That brings us to the last and final segment of recognition. I will need your cooperation again. We'll clap as loud as we can when we call our artists to come receive the awards. Okay, so I'd request Francis sir to please come on stage to give away the gifts to our students. Let's hear it for the man. So we've got certificates and gifts for the guitarists who've performed for the very first time. Okay, so let's hear it in the sequence. We have Angela Vernekar. You need to keep clapping louder, ladies and gentlemen. Pose for picture. Next is Anuj Adak. Let those claps keep coming, ladies and gentlemen. Anuj Adak. Up next, we've got Arnav Gajingar. That's Arnav. Alright, we've then got Fabian Coutinho. Can't hear the claps. Next is Haripriya Bhatt. Haripriya. Kapish Adamle. Kapish. Up next is Nirvi Chake. Prathamesh Shahane. Rajveer Singh. Ryan Das. Shantanu Shinde. Shlok Kavde, he also played the percussions. Next we've got Vedant Kardaskar. Then we've got Vedant Nagarwar. And then the last first time performing guitarist is Vedant Singh. Thank you. Let's hear it for our first time performing guitarist. Moving on swiftly then to the guitarists who have performed previously as well on Harmony on the Strings. So we've got gifts for them. Let me call upon Arjun Kale. Geeta Kopar. Roshan Kulkarni. Saket Deshmukh. Saket. Saurabh Kathole. next we've got Vidya Ligade. And then we've got William Waymaker. These were all our guitarists who have performed previously with Harmony on Strings. Okay, those were our guitarists. Big round of applause. Moving on to our keyboardists. We've got certificates and gifts for the students who perform for the first time. Let's hear it for R.V. Adab. Then got Arnav Kurbe. Arohi Ligade. Let's hear it for Arohi. And I can't understand have Bhavesh Nadol. Dimple Ada. Up next, Gauri Mishra. George Zakaria. They've got Prisha Nahar. Sakri Mane. They've got Samyak Samud. Sara Vijani. And last, for our first time performing keyboardist, we've got Revan Nahal. Okay. Right, sorry for that. So if you notice, most of our first time performing keyboardists were actually little children who are still in school. Let's hear it for them and their proud parents. So goes for our guitarists. Up next, we have got gifts to students who have performed previously on Harmony on the Strings. That's again keyboardist. Let's hear it for Abhijit Varade. Then what Anay Gaikwad. Anay Kakurdikar. Avnish Thakre. Avni Shelke. Bharti Gamale. Q. Sharon Swami. Q. Surya Deshmukh. Veda Kulkarni. Vedika Varade. And last but not least, Veena Coutinho. Those were students who performed previously on the keyboards on Harmony on the Strings. Moving on to mouth organ player. Let's hear a big round of applause for Mrs. Manjari Deshpande. I think she was brilliant. Here for Manjari Deshpande ma'am. Next set of awards are for our drummers and percussionists. Let's hear it for Abhijit Puranik. Let's hear it for Reyansh Puranik. Priyansh with his dad. Yes, like Savio sir says, छोटा है पर बड़ा धमाका. Okay, up next Rohit Thakre. Then got Samuel Lavare. Let's hear it for Sridhar Dinesh. In this category, Kapish Sharma, our beatboxer. Did we not enjoy him? That's it for our drummers and percussionists. Moving on to our singers who I think lit up this evening with their soulful voices. Let's hear it for Bhargav Palanir. Yes, Bhargav. Following that behind Bhargav. The one with the beautiful voice again, Sai Shreya. We've then got Shantanu Sathe, let's hear it for him. Put your hands together for Tanmay Kene. Tanmay Kene. Thank you. Vibha Thakurlikar. Okay, that's Vijay Kedari. Let's hear it for Vibha, everyone. Thank you, Vibha. Alright, and last but not the least, our favorite. Backstage I heard this is a Lifetime Achievement Award for being with us for so long and his voice doesn't change with time. Let's hear it for Mr. Vijay Kedari. Thank you. Let's move to the men who work in the background. to make sure everything's perfect with live sound and mixing. Let's hear it for live sound and mixing engineer Denzel Fernandez. Thank you. Again, sound, lights and LED vendor. You've been with us for almost a very long time. But Mr. Parimal Deshmukh. Cheer it for them. Now, next is a big question. Who's going to click this picture? For photo, yes, we want a selfie. Photo and videography. Ashraf Jamadar. For capturing those beautiful moments, I could see them in the backstage trying to get the perfect shot. Thank you. The next set of gifts are for those without whom the show would not have been possible. Let's hear it for Jason Philippe. Renowned as one of Pune's premier keyboard players, he consistently lends his expertise to support the academy, particularly guiding and mentoring aspiring keyboard students with his profound musical knowledge. Let's hear it for Jason, sir, everyone. Keyboardist, I could not hear you all. Yeah. Next we've got Mr. Thomas Coutinho. He's Francis's right-hand man. He plays a pivotal role in managing the Academy's accounts, admissions and ensuring smooth operations even in Francis's absence. Mr. Thomas Coutinho, ladies and gentlemen. Keep those claps coming. Thomas uncle, wait. We have also William Coutinho, the youngest sibling of Francis sir. His boundless energy, we all agree, is a constant presence. He's always there whenever his support is required. Coutinho brothers. Thank you. Alright, moving on next. Special mention Shravan Kadam, a shining star among Francis' students. He has dedicated 6 years to the academy and he is now currently showing a final role. It's not over. I have a few nice things to say about Shravan. And we all agree his infectious smile brightens every room. He's always smiling. And his unwavering presence ensures he's always available to assist students in the journey. Thank you, Shravan, for all your help. Let's hear it for the not more eligible bachelor, Vinay Vajerkar. Vinay, stay at it. The cheer was so loud I had to wait to read this. So Vinay is a dedicated student. He is under the guidance of Alex. Has cultivated a drumming style that is characterized by its infectious groove and powerful punch. As a true red devil, okay, he brings passion and energy to his craft. Since joining the academy back in 2011, Vinay has consistently shown his commitment by actively participating in every activity. Thank you again, Vinay. Okay, let's hear it for the last in this category, Chetan Agarwal. Chetan, who has trained as a drummer under Alex, demonstrates exceptional dedication. Despite his busy schedule, he makes time to fulfill whatever task is given to him and does it with complete sincerity. Thank you, Chetan. Let's hear it for them. Okay, we're not finished. How could we forget Viraj Valkoli? Those claps coming. So Viraj, who again is trained as a drummer under Alex, demonstrates exceptional dedication. Despite his regular work commitments in Mumbai, he made the journey solely to contribute to the concert and assist with the visuals. Thank you. We extend our gratitude for you for your invaluable support. Thank you, Viraj. Next, we have the honor of recognizing our exceptional students who have consistently demonstrated outstanding dedication and achievement. In addition to celebrating their accomplishments, we also want to acknowledge the invaluable support and encouragement provided by their parents since the very beginning. I kindly invite the following students, accompanied by their parents, to join us on the stage for this. So we've got for the guitarist Rajveer Singh with his parents. This is not going to be possible without the support of their parents, truly agree. So let's hear it for Rajveer and his parents. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for your support. Okay, the next is for one of our keyboardists. This was a parent who turned to a student, and the student was Bhushan. He is away in the US for work, but we'd like to say thank you to Bharti Dhamale ma'am, and she has performed with us today. Let's hear it for her.
Lonely, yes, as a cloud, yes, that flies high over waves and is when all at once. So I saw, you can also show this one. Yes, I saw a crowd, a host of golden dragons. Awesome. But you also share some choker to them. Yeah, they did. Choker, they did. They did. Yeah. I wanted to. Can you give a story in that choker, Tibangi? Yeah. But I want them to do one Indian one also. That's good. Yeah. So the Navarasa actually we do with that this one. What we can do now is the Navarasa, the beginning where Ram takes Sita, Radhaji. Yeah. So we are showing that picture. So we are going to make a picture. So I require two people to come in forward into the short notes. Let's go. Yes, you come forward. You come forward. So you will show the fish in the water. Yeah, both of you sit like this. Go this way. Yeah. And slightly face each other. And you're showing each other the water, the water is going. Look at the fish. So this is how the fish goes, right? Yeah, so that is the fish. So the ultimate.
Hello, good evening one and all. Big thanks to all the parents, especially. बच्चों तो करते ही करते हैं लेकिन पेरेंट लोग ने जो लास्ट 10-15 days दे हैव बीन कमिंग फॉर द प्रैक्टिस देन वेटिंग देयर देन बारिश ये हो बट देन लॉट ऑफ पेन्स फॉर द चिल्ड्रन नाउ यस दिस एवरी वी डू इट बट दिस इज वी वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट लेकिन बारिश ने थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिया एनीवे नेक्स्ट टाइम अभी एसी भी बंद हो गया द टाइम इज so next time we'll have at a nice place. Say this place is nice. Next time we'll have here, but in a well planned this thing. To tell you about the harmony string 12. On every harmony string, what we do is the most perfect the planning and सारा चीज जिसको मैं बोल नहीं सकता हूँ इतना सारा उसके पीछे मेहनत प्रैक्टिस then planning all the thing देन ये जो क्लिप देख रहे हैं इसकी डिज़ाइनिंग ये सारा चीज़ हो उसमें जितनी तारीफ करूँगी उतनी कम थी none other than my son Alex. I'm very proud of him and मतलब well planned, very much disciplined जिसको बोलते हैं. In my life I have never seen so much disciplined person in my life. So I'm very much grateful to him. Thanks beta. God bless you. Love you a lot. And of course, my daughter, she comes every year. So Elena is always doing चार चांद जिसको बोलते हैं चार चांद वो लगाती है उसमें सारा चीज़ में 11th hour पे जो finishing touches is there. She has been doing always a great job for me. Yes. This is matching. Babu. I'm missing my granddaughter Faye. So thank you, Elena. God bless you. You are always there to make this event a big success. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Then you can take a picture.
Thank you.
I thank all the back team members, especially Shravan has taken a lot of pain and he has shared a lot of responsibility this time. मतलब मैंने भी सोचा नहीं था इतने सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा and he has done it so well. I'm proud of you, Shravan. God bless you. Your parents are there. Shravan is son of my friend Digambar. Digambar हाथ वरते कर. And Digambar's mummy. I call him Digu. Though his name is Digambar. Digu, Digya. I always call him Digya only. So Digya is a very good drummer. And my music, right when we started the Rhythm Makers, so he was the founder member with me. And after वो उसका चलता रहा, लेकिन the generation is still going. His son is taking the place now. And thank you, Shravan. Thank you, Digu. Thank you, Digu's mom. Thank you, Digu's sister. Thank you very much. I thank everyone. And main thing, the entire my Bacha company, my DMA family. Thanks to you all, everyone DMA family. And all DMA family like a head. That is my wife. Yes. उसके बिगड़ तो कुछ होता ही नहीं मतलब she encourages me a lot and she takes मतलब सारा चीज़ daily practice को बच्चों को आना है ये करना वो लोग then she takes care of everything. Thank you, Veena. Where are you? Thank you. God bless you. Once again, thank everyone. Thank you, photographer. I thank Jason sir and Alex के सारा team members जितने सब वो सब गए 4-5 दिन हुए. They are always there doing after the show. They'll be going there. चलता रहता है. Once, and I would like to thank the theatre manager, Mr. Kale, and all the assistant of the theatre. I thanks Benzil and Parimal. Thank you. Good night.
Esteemed guests and music enthusiasts, I, Angela Wernicker, stand before you today, humbled by the resounding success of this remarkable music concert, Harmony on the Strings 12. On behalf of the students of Coutinho Streams Music Academy, at the very outset, our appreciation goes to the chief guest, Dr. Suhas Hardas and Mr. Vijay Bise. A huge thank you goes to our esteemed sponsors and partners for your unwavering support and commitment to the art. Your invaluable contributions have not only made this event possible, but have also helped foster a vibrant culture community within our midst. A profound debt of gratitude is owed to our dedicated team of organizers, volunteers, and technical crew, and above all, our sound mixing engineer, Mr. Denzil Fernandez, whose tireless efforts behind the scenes have ensured the seamless execution of every aspect of this concert. Sir, your passion, dedication, and attention to every detail have been instrumental in creating a truly memorable experience for all in attendance. Thank you. Thank you to all the singers for their soulful singing. Needless to mention our beautiful anchor, Miss Elena, for her lively interaction with the crowd. She's always been kind enough to be there whenever we needed her skills. Thank you, ma'am. And yes, thank you to our brilliant musicians and performers who have rocked this concert today under the leadership of Francis sir, Alex sir, Jason sir, and also Shravan sir. Last but not the least, a big round of applause to our lovely audience. You all have been so energetic throughout the performance. Thank you for encouraging us. Thank you so very much. God bless each one of you. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.